In 2023, the United States continues to be a fertile ground for various business opportunities, catering to entrepreneurs and investors with diverse aspirations. As a copywriter, businessman, and journalist, understanding the landscape of promising, profitable, risky, and low-risk businesses is essential for making informed decisions. This article provides insights into the types of businesses that can be pursued in the United States, considering factors such as ease of doing business, taxation, labor costs, and initial investment requirements. First point. Promising businesses in the United States. 1. E-commerce and online retail. The growth of online shopping presents opportunities for entrepreneurs to establish niche e-commerce stores or participate in the rapidly expanding online retail sector. 2. Software development and IT services. The increasing reliance on technology creates a demand for software development, IT consulting, and cybersecurity services. 3. Health and wellness. With a growing emphasis on personal well-being, businesses focusing on fitness, organic products, mental health, and alternative therapies have promising prospects. 4. Renewable energy. The transition towards clean energy sources opens avenues for businesses involved in solar panel installation, wind power, energy storage solutions, and electric vehicle infrastructure. Second point. Most profitable businesses in the United States. 1. Real estate development. Investing in residential or commercial real estate properties, property management, or real estate flipping can yield significant profits. 2. Financial services, offering financial planning, investment advisory, or specialized financial services can be highly lucrative. 3. Technology startups, developing innovative software applications, AI solutions, or disruptive technologies can lead to substantial financial gains. 4. Franchising, operating a successful franchise business in industries like fast food, retail, or hospitality can generate consistent profits. If you are liking or finding the video interesting, give me a like, subscribe and comment to find out if I can continue talking about this topic. We continue. Third point. Most risky businesses in the United States. 1. Restaurant and food services. The highly competitive nature of the industry, operational challenges, and changing consumer preferences make it a risky venture. 2. Fashion and apparel. Staying relevant in a dynamic and trend-driven market, coupled with inventory management and high competition, poses risks. 3. Travel and tourism. The industry's vulnerability to geopolitical events, natural disasters, and economic downturns makes it a risky business proposition. Least risky businesses in the United States. 1. Professional services. Businesses providing specialized services such as legal, accounting, consulting, or marketing services typically have lower inherent risks. 2. Essential goods and services. Businesses involved in the sale of everyday necessities, such as grocery stores, healthcare services, and essential utilities, offer stability. 3. Home-based businesses. Starting a business from home, such as freelancing, consulting, or e-commerce, reduces overhead costs and mitigates risks. Fourth point. Businesses with varying initial investment requirements. 1. With $5,000, starting a home-based online store, offering digital marketing services, or launching a small-scale consulting business can be viable options. 2. With $10,000, investing in a franchise business, opening a small cafe or restaurant, or starting a niche e-commerce store may be feasible. 3. With $20,000, establishing a specialized service business, such as graphic design, fitness studio, or mobile app development, becomes more attainable. 4. With $50,000, launching a small-scale manufacturing business, investing in a real estate property, or initiating a boutique hotel or bed and breakfast can be considered. 5. With $100,000, venturing into a larger-scale franchise business, investing in a retail store or restaurant chain, or starting a technology-based startup may be possible. Conclusion. The United States offers a diverse range of business opportunities in various sectors. While certain industries hold promise, such as e-commerce, software development, and renewable energy, profitability and risks vary across sectors. Low-risk businesses include professional services and essential goods, while sectors like restaurants and fashion carry higher risks. Factors like ease of doing business, taxation, labor costs, and initial investment requirements impact the feasibility of different ventures. As a copywriter, businessman, and journalist, understanding the landscape of business opportunities empowers you to identify potential avenues for growth and guide others in their entrepreneurial journeys. If you liked the video, I would appreciate it if you give a like, subscribe and comment to see if I continue talking about this topic. Thank you.